Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
कोमुनिदाद जमनींचेर आशिल्ली अनधिकृत घरां अधिकृत करपाक विधानसभेन विधेयक पास जाल्लें. कांय कोमुनिदाद जंय हें विधेयक फाटीं घेवचें म्हूण मागतात थंय कांय कोमुनिदादींनी ह्या विधेयकाक तेंको दिलो. ह्या विधेयकाचो कोमुनिदादीक फायदो जातलो म्हूण चिकळे चिकोळणा कोमुनिदादीचे वांगडी उलयले.
Communidade of Chicalim and Communidade of Chicolna are willing to regularize all such houses on the land belonging to them. This was passed in our general body much before this notification, because both the Communidades have fought tooth and nail to demolish houses, file cases against the government, and do everything possible to do away with illegal houses, which did not work in the long run. The land is encroached mostly by our federal lands, 80%. I can give you the record. Pay for whatever they want, because we are paying for our own land and we apply. So that is the stand generally of that resolution, general body resolution.
It looks like
how much revenue you are expecting with this?
It depends on the government rate. Government has to specify the rate, and it depends on the market rate at that point of time. You can just imagine how much you are getting.
It will be more than 10 crores.
Chicalim is massive.
700 to 800. At least 700 to 800.
तशेंच कोमुनिदाद जमनींचेर जातली बेकायदेशीर बांदकामां थांबोवंक कोमुनिदादीक अधिकार दिवचो म्हूण वांगड्यांनी सरकारा कडेन मागलें.
I request the government should give direct powers to the managing committees or to the Communidades. If there is a illegal construction being happening, immediately the managing committee or this Communidade, these attorneys or the president go and stop that construction immediately.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.